Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in and ready. First, confirm prerequisites. Check your Google Payments profile country, saved address, and active subscriptions because region changes can affect billing. Make sure you have an address in the new country and a payment method that matches it. Once done, open My Account. Google, and go to Payments or Google Play settings to begin the region change flow. This step prevents surprises. You'll alter billing, tax calculations, and available content when you continue. Now execute the change. Create or select a payments profile set to the new country and enter the local address. Add a payment method issued in that country, credit, debit, or local payment options because Google validates region by payment data. Next, in Google Play or Payment Center, choose the new profile as active. Make sure to review subscriptions and app availability. Some services auto-update or require cancellation and resubscription. Save changes and wait for confirmation emails to ensure the profile switch processed. Finalize by checking your account's country field and recent payment receipts for the new currency. Confirmation usually arrives by email. If an app or subscription fails, relink the local payment method and resubscribe where necessary. Some purchases don't transfer. If the change doesn't apply, clear browser cache, try a different device or network, and reattempt the payment's profile selection. If problems persist, contact Google support with screenshots of profiles and payments. That single troubleshooting step resolves most stuck region changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.